Hi everybody, welcome back to our Kids in Nature online video series. My name's Andy, and in this video we're back again at the UCSB Lagoon, but today we're going to be looking at some of the bees and pollinators around some of the restored areas here on UCSB campus.
In the past, we've looked at areas like these around the UCSB campus that have been overgrown with introduced invasive grasses. An ice plant, outcompeting native plants. But we've also seen areas where CCBER staff are learning how to get rid of these non-native plants and are restoring the native ecosystems, providing habitat for animals to return.
Regular monitoring or making detailed records of the plants and animals on our restoration sites is important as we're trying to recreate a healthy and diverse ecosystem. As I mentioned earlier, today we'll be taking a closer look at the bees.
Most of you are familiar with the common European honeybee, which is found all over the world and is important for pollinating food crops. But as we explore, we find a large diversity of bees in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. Along with the honeybees, we also find bumblebees, carpenter bees, sweat bees, furrow bees, just to name a few. In fact, we have 1,600 native species of bees in California. These many different bees appear in different seasons and prefer different habitats and different flowers, which makes the diversity of native bees extremely important to the pollination of many native flowers. And not all bees construct hives or make honey. Most native bees are solitary and nest in dead wood, leaf litter, or holes in the soil. Bee populations are indicators of the health of the ecosystem, and studying them and their relationships with flowers can inform our restoration work.
But these wildflowers and their insect pollinators can have very short life cycles and are seasonal, making the timing of the flowers blooming and the emergence of their insect pollinators very important. The study within biology of these seasonal events is called phenology. Say it with me one more time. Phenology.
If the timing of the plants flowering and the bees appearing isn't right, then flowers don't get pollinated and bees can't find food. Honeybees can collect pollen from 50 to 100 flowers in a single flight from the hive. Let's see if you can help us count the number of flowers visited by the bees in the following videos. We can pause in between for discussion. This is a honeybee, visiting California poppies. Let's watch it again. This is a yellow-faced bumblebee visiting bush lupins. And one more time. This yellow-faced bumblebee is visiting Phacelia flowers. How many did you count? One more time. This yellow-faced bumblebee is visiting a cobweb thistle. But be careful, that's not just one flower. It's actually an inflorescence of many, many flowers. We'll talk more about that when we explore flowers later. When you can, go out to your garden or backyard or to the park and check on the flowers. Take note of the bees and record your own observations. You can take pictures or you can write in your nature journal. Don't forget to record where you saw it and when.
Thanks again for following me today in this Kids in Nature video, and I'll look forward to talking with you soon. Bye!